Hey guys, this is D,
And I'm on.
and we are part of DM Tech Lab.
Hey guys, today we're going to be focusing on the top 3 FDM printers that we found on Kickstarter. Hope you enjoy. In third place, we have the Voladd.
Introducing Boulud, the first 3D printer that makes sense in your life, and the very first to be connected to an online platform that places thousands of objects at your fingertips. In other words, we are the Netflix of objects. It's that easy. Go to Voladd, choose the object you wish to make today, and voila, it's yours. With Boulud, you will join a revolution of people with the power to have things in an instant. No more transport, no more endless waiting. It is a revolution of those who choose sustainable objects, and of those who are able to share and send objects to any part of the world with just a single click, enabling one to have unique products that have never been manufactured. With Boulud, your life will be easier, more fun, and infinitely more creative. Can you imagine getting for free what has never been free? Create objects just by connecting to the internet. No prior knowledge is required. It's never been that easy. Boulud. All you can do is everything.
In second place, we have the Nix.
When you're surrounded by darkness, open your eyes. Look around you. It's a beautiful life. Don't waste time. Open your mind. Have no regrets. Paint the sky your favorite color. Your favorite color. Your favorite color. Your favorite color.
And in first, we have Cubibot.
Hi, my name is Arya. I'm an engineer and a certified SOLIDWORKS professional. I'm one of the developers of Cubibot, a compact, affordable, yet professional 3D printer. My dad and I started out in the garage. Our goal was to reimagine 3D printing for a wider audience and make this tool usable for everybody. For most people, 3D printers are either too large, too expensive, too difficult to use, or just basic tiny toys with unacceptable quality. We wanted to create something that would be high functioning, yet affordable, simple enough to use for everyone. Just plug it in and click print. After 2.5 years of hard work, we are proud to introduce you to Cubibot, the first machine that makes 3D printing available to all people. You don't have to be an expert or a technology buff to use it. Cubibot is capable of printing any object you can imagine and design. However, to jumpstart your creativity, we have created our own design database that contains many different designs ready to be printed. All you need to do is browse the database and click print for your favorite design. The use of this database will be completely free for our users and Cubibot owners. Simply enjoy your creations as they come to life. We designed Cubibot with a priority on health and safety so that you can bring Cubibot into your home, your office, your classroom, or labs. Cubibot has a built-in ventilation system with a replaceable filter, making Cubibot safer than other non-filter 3D printers. Compact doesn't mean less powerful. Cubibot's heated bed and high-temperature nozzle enable it to print with a wide range of materials, including PLA plastic for toys and hobby, engineering plastics such as ABS and PC, and flexible materials as well. Cubibot's smart status notification lets you know what it's up to at all times. Cubibot is also Wi-Fi and cloud-enabled, allowing users to print wirelessly from their computer or phone using our Android and iOS apps. Given its features and its affordable price, Cubibot is truly for everybody. Families who want to print children's toys or school projects, engineers and scientists who need to produce quick prototypes, teachers, architects, and business owners. No matter what your vocation or purpose might be, Cubibot makes 3D printing technology practical, accessible, and effortless and fun for everybody. Right now, Cubibot exists as fully functional prototypes, but we need your help to finalize the web-based platform and manufacture the molds needed for production. When our Kickstarter goal is met, we'll be able to take Cubibot from prototype to production and get it into the hands of people like you. We built a technology that puts 3D printing in the hands of everyone with a dream. Now it's up to you. What will you create with Cubibot?
We're planning on making a part 2 for this video, so make sure you don't miss it by subscribing and turning post notifications on. You can check out all these printers on Kickstarter. The links will be on the screen and in the description below.
We'll see you in the next video.